Well, here we are back combining day 5 at Overbury, and we are right up on, well, not quite on the top of Bredon Hill, fairly high up. We've got Tewkesbury and the army camp, Ashchurch, if you know it, just over there, Cheltenham behind those hills, and then kind of Broadway, Winchcombe in the distance there. Buccaneer is still on the menu today. Yields look like they're a bit better actually up here, which is good. Nice and clean crop. This is a field called Paul's Bushes, and historically in this part of the farm had a bit of black grass just up through here. So I think the direct drilling is probably helping that a little bit, keeping the seeds on the surface. Rotation definitely helping. Yeah, moisture's hovering around the 12%, so still very, very dry, but a little bit cooler outside maybe, just a few clouds around, not quite the baking sun, getting a bit of a respite every now and then when the sun disappears under a cloud. Yields, calibrated combine, going along, yeah, quite nicely really, considering everything in the year. Got a bit of maize over there by the trees, bit of game cover around the edge of this field, yeah, this is where we are. A few wheat volunteers in here. Changed the rotation a few years ago to move from a spring barley into a winter barley, because of kind of green bridge for disease really. So moved from wheat and then winter barley, but that obviously comes with some volunteer challenges, and that very much depends on the year. If we're growing it just as a feed, that probably doesn't matter too much, but if there's any hope of malting this, then we don't need very many wheat volunteers in it really to make a bit of a mess of the sample, and I don't think there's quite enough here to worry about too much. What is interesting is that those ears that are here are actually quite ripe already, so we will not really have a break, I don't think, this year unless we get a weather delay. But basically cut winter barley today and tomorrow, and then tackle some oilseed rape, and we'll see where we start that and where we go. But going along all quite nicely.